see you there. Today we're in Mont Tremblant, peak fall foliage. And what better way to do it than just cut straight to the edge. Tremblant, day 2. Today we're hiking up the mountain. We tried this yesterday, but there was a lot of people on the trail. So today we got up early before sunrise, just after sunrise now, and we're gonna be hiking up to the top. Gonna get lots of sick video, pictures, hopefully some cool drone shots, and we'll see you as we go. Smart. He brought boots. I don't know about this one. Rock. Branch.
Yeah, I don't know how you're doing this, dude. Thank God.
Alright, so we're at the first lookout point now, about 1 kilometer in. So far so good. Air's nice and crisp, not too hot at all. And see you at the next one. Alright, so a little bit of an update. We're just over halfway up. Gotten some really cool drone shots. And weather's still holding up. No rain, which is super nice. Trail, as it says, is very muddy. Very muddy. But it is good. Anything to add?
Nope, that's about it. See you at the top. Alright, so we're just about at the top. It is right behind us. We have one small little section of trail left.
but this has been awesome. Got some amazing shots, and what a great day. I'll see you at the very top. That was a climb. More than I thought for this last final stretch. Okay, so we made it to the top now, and all I can say is, what a view. Alright, so we just drove out to Lac Superior, if I'm saying that right. It's looking super, super nice today. I absolutely love that one tall peak in the distance. What a great day. Thank you so much for watching. That was a great weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. You're gonna do the thing, Dan? To start?
Okay. Boom.
What am I saying?